The size of the project is about 355 square metres. It's being done in a Danosa membrane, mech fix system, obviously using the new washers from SureFast.
SureFast is a complete range of fasteners and washers for flat roofing. It can be used both for the insulation and for the membrane. We produce the tubes in-house now in Sevenoaks, and we've redesigned the tube so that it works much better in the membrane. It can be just pushed straight through the membrane without having to cut the membrane first. It's a much quicker, simpler system to use. And we've also strengthened up the head, which has improved the way it supports both the insulation and the membrane. And there's two parts to the product. There's the tube washer and then there's the fastener. The fastener is pushed down into the tube, and then the two will be pushed down through the membrane, and the fastener will be driven through there and out the bottom into the metal deck or the timber deck below.
Purely for puncturing through the membrane, you haven't got to cut any holes in it, pre-cut holes or anything. Just stab it straight through and away you go, screw it in. With this dome on the top of the washer, it's obviously a lot stronger, and it don't get the dishing when it pulls in too tight or anything and damage the washer basically. So yeah, far superior.
It's a lot easier than what the old system is, because you've got the spliced ends which actually go in to the insulation and the membrane quicker, which saves you trying to dig a hole and make a hole. It does it for itself. It's a lot quicker.